Hi, I am Hariiharan and I head the Learning and Development segment at Axis Mutual Fund. And the question is, what is an index mutual fund? How does it benefit investors? Index funds are passive mutual funds that seek to replicate the performance of an underlying index. And they do so by investing in the same set of securities as is there in the underlying index and the same weight and proportion as is there in the underlying index. For example, if you look at a Nifty 50 index fund, this fund will invest in the same 50 stocks as is there in the Nifty 50 and in the same proportion and weightage as is there in the Nifty 50. Index funds are a very simple and a very cost-efficient way of generating wealth in the long term and diversifying your investments.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.